A dog gained million income with menswear. How is that possible? The name of this dog is Bodhi, and even with this income that is obtained, you should be to call him Lord Bodhi. Before becoming a millionaire, this lovely dog was a simple dog with a normal life, and take a nap, side of house. Until one day, the owner, who is a Japanese woman and works as a costume designer, decides to put her husband's clothes on this cute dog for fun, and post a photo of him on her personal page to make her friends laugh. But this fun move comes to a great conclusion, and the designer woman to face with the unparalleled welcome of her fans, and then decided to did it again, exactly at the same time menswear company called and offered to work with them. Dear Bodhi, put on our clothes and advertise for us, and this was how it shined and became famous in the fashion profession. The dog earns between $15,000 and $20,000 a month through modeling. It is interesting to know that 400,000 people have followers. This lovely dog is very lucky. Now you say, do you think you are lucky or unlucky?